I've been taking courses at NetSoft for about 2 years now. I was referred by my father, who's actually been in the institute for about 3 years. Honestly, I would say NetSoft is an outstanding IT academy and private career college. To me, I really think it stands out for three specific reasons. The first main reason is the quality of the training and the trainers. NetSoft, they spend hours spent on trainings compared to other IT academies. Also, the trainers aren't just there in the class to get through the material. They are actually there to ensure their students actually grasp the knowledge. If anyone in the class is seeming confused or a little bit off topic, the trainer will ensure that he makes sure the student actually understands the concept thoroughly by asking them questions, and only until everyone in the class really fully understands the concept, then the trainer will move on. So that is the first reason. The second reason is, which really sets NetSoft apart, is the hands-on and technical aspects they help their students with. There are many different scenarios and assignments given at NetSoft for technical and hands-on work. They have assignments that every student should complete. There also are the official course labs and scenarios that must be completed for, say, the Microsoft, VM, or Citrix courses, the actual official course material. But on top of all this, NetSoft provides their students with custom scenarios. If you're ever looking for any kind of hands-on scenarios that you might see in the workforce, you can just go ask your trainer and ask for a specific example of something they've done in the workforce. The trainer will be more than willing to give you an example of something you might come across in your day-to-day field, and he will ask you to complete the custom scenario and show them the required documentation, and give you suggestions on how to improve your work or just on your work in general. Now, the very last third reason why I think NetSoft stands out is because their dedication to the improvement of the lives of their students. NetSoft just doesn't want their students to come here and get the training material. They also want to help their students with their personal development, their growth, their career growth, giving them direction. So that's also another main function of as opposed to just the training and just the technical areas. I would truly say that the person I am now versus the person I came into NetSoft, I'm a totally changed individual. I have technical skills I never thought I would have had. I have drive, I have motivation, and NetSoft is really giving me some direction. And I feel that NetSoft is the cream of the crop for all IT academies in the GTA.